Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, answering a question that you have left me. Someone who has problems in the vehicle, is limited, loses power no matter how much the accelerator is pressed, and has taken it to the workshop, and they have been having said that the fault that has come out is from the IAT sensor. It has not specified the code, but hey, that is usually the P, between the 0110, 0114 out there approximately. The one that usually comes out the most is the P. 0112. I am talking about memory. Okay, let's see. Not all vehicles have the IAT sensor. The IAT sensor, look. Here I have taken a photo of a Ford C, and this one, look, has a sensor here and another here. This would be the intake manifold or intake manifold. In this case, this here is the map sensor, and this here is the IAT sensor. There are many vehicles that have it incorporated into the map. The map sensor measures the air pressure in the intake manifold, and the IAT sensor gives us the temperature of that same air, of that air mass. I already gave go that some vehicles have it incorporated in the map, and it would give us the pressure and temperature. In these Fords, for example, they go independent. Here the good thing is that if it fails, then only one of them would be changed. If the temperature fails, that would be this one changes this one, and if the map sensor fails, it would be this. I always say that before changing the parts you have to try to clean them. Especially in these parts, you have to try to clean the part inside, the connector, and others, and do the test to see if this solves the problem. I already say the IAT sensor is not carried by all vehicles. Many have them incorporated in the map. Then there are also other vehicles that also have it incorporated in the map sensor, which is what it would be, the flow meter. In others, a part they carry it both in the flow meter as here, as in the map sensor. Well, here you have this video. If it has been useful for you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.